On March 26, 1931, 9 black youths riding a freight train were arrested after being falsely accused of raping 2 white women. After nearly being lynched, they were brought to trial in Scottsboro, Alabama. Despite evidence that exonerated the young men, including a retraction in 1933 by one of their accusers, the state pursued the case. All white juries delivered guilty verdicts against the 9 defendants, and all but the youngest, who was a 12-year-old, were sentenced to death. From 1931 to 1937, during a series of appeals and new trials, they remained in prison where they were repeatedly brutalized by guards. In 1932, the U.S. Supreme Court concluded that the Scottsboro defendants had been denied adequate counsel at trial. In 1935, the Supreme Court again ruled in favor of the defendants, overturning their convictions because Alabama had systematically excluded blacks from jury service. Finally, in 1937, 4 of the defendants were released. The other 5 were given sentences from 20 years to life, and 4 out of those 5 were paroled between 1943 and 1950. The 5th escaped prison in 1948 and fled north to Michigan. No crime in American history, let alone a crime that never occurred, produced as many trials, convictions, reversals, and retrials as the case of the Scottsboro boys.